This is the Genesis G80. Available on select G80 models, Genesis Digital Key 2 allows drivers to unlock, lock, and start their car using a compatible smartphone device. Genesis Digital Key 2 is compatible with most near-field communication or NFC-enabled smartphone devices. For a list of compatible devices, visit owners.genesis.com. Start by enrolling in Genesis Connected Services and search for Genesis Intelligent Assistant in the Apple app or Google Play Store and download the app. To use Genesis Digital Key 2, make sure that Bluetooth and the NFC feature are both enabled on your phone. Log in to the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app to access the digital key option. On your vehicle's infotainment system settings, select Setup, Vehicle, Digital Key, Smartphone Key, My Smartphone Key, and then select Save. On your smartphone device, press Setup Digital Key and then follow the on-screen instructions. You should see a confirmation message if done correctly. It is even possible to share your digital key via your phone wallet with friends and family members. You can revoke access to a shared card at any time by opening the Wallet app, locate the key you'd like to remove, and then press Stop Sharing. If your device only supports NFC, Digital Key 2 Touch allows you to unlock your doors by tapping the door handle. If your mobile device supports ultra-wideband and Bluetooth Low Energy, Genesis Digital Key 2 Premium allows hands-free unlocking by simply approaching your Genesis. The vehicle can also be started without the use of a key fob, simply by placing your device on the in-vehicle wireless charger. To remove all digital keys, including shared key, press Setup, Vehicle, Digital Key, Smartphone Key, and then select Delete All. We recommend using the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app to easily send remote commands. From your smartphone, you can lock or unlock doors, locate your vehicle, monitor fuel level, and much more. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.